This is Nashville Autos today, coming at you from my own neighborhood. Had a dog that jumps the fence across the street from me, and his dog pound's been all over him. News Now Preston Nashville has a video the first time the dog pound came out. I guess this is a revisit, I don't know. But their dog's been complying since he went to court. Sorry, I don't have my gimbal, I'm shaking a little. Saw the truck and jumped out of the house and didn't even grab my gimbal. Well, I guess the dog hasn't been complying, but the owner's been complying with their demands that he keep the dog chained in the backyard because the dog jumps the fence. Sounds like a real friendly interaction up there. They're very cordial. She's saying something about a follow-up visit, coming back again. His dogs got out a few times, jumping the fence. He's got a fenced-in yard, but one dog jumps the fence, the other one doesn't. He's got $1,000 worth of damage to a little dog that his dog did, and that's why these people are out here. Ma'am, I just like to say I live across the street. Since you guys have come out here and the dog incident where he bit the little dog, that guy has been in compliance with your rules.
He has?
Yeah, as far as I could tell, and I can look out my window and see his backyard.
Right.
He's been in compliance. It's just his roommates are the one that let the dog out the first time.
Gotcha. Yeah, he seems like he's making some progress.
He's trying. Yeah, his roommates let him out, and I jumped all over him and everything, and so did half the neighborhood. But
yeah, hopefully we can kind of just get it figured out. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I mean, he's got a fenced-in yard, and the dog jumps the fence. That's kind of screwed up. But
it is. Yeah, when you have a dog that can clear a fence already, it's tough. So.
Yeah, and it's not that this is like he's got out like 6 times.
Right.
And that's why it's been an issue.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a nice day, man.
You too.
All right, Nashville Audits. We'll catch you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out.